The rise of artificial intelligence in finance has sparked a powerful global debate. Will AI replace financial advisors? Or will it make investors wealthier, smarter, and more financially independent than ever before? In the past few years, we've seen AI completely transform the way people save, invest, and plan for the future. Today, advanced algorithms and robo-advisors can analyze years of market data in seconds, predict trends, assess risk levels, and even build diversified portfolios, all with minimal human input. What used to take an entire team of analysts can now be done by a single AI tool that learns and improves continuously. These platforms, such as Wealthfront or Betterment, allow users to start investing with as little as a few pounds or dollars, providing personalized strategies that were once available only to the wealthy. For small business owners and entrepreneurs, AI can automatically track expenses, forecast cash flow, and suggest optimal savings or investment options, helping them manage money more efficiently. However, this digital revolution raises serious ethical and economic concerns. Can a machine truly understand the human side of money? Financial decisions often involve emotions like fear, greed, hope, or responsibility, which algorithms can't fully grasp. A person saving for their child's education or retirement has goals that go beyond numbers on a chart. Moreover, AI systems are only as ethical as the data they're trained on. If the data contains bias or lacks social awareness, the AI's advice might prioritize profit at any cost, even at the expense of environmental sustainability or social responsibility. This is where human financial advisors still play a critical role. They bring empathy, moral understanding, and life experience, things no machine can replicate. Instead of replacing humans, AI is actually reshaping the financial advisory field into a partnership model where technology handles data and humans handle values. Financial experts can use AI to enhance their analysis, save time, and offer deeper insights while focusing on clients' emotional and ethical needs. The most successful investors of the future will likely be those who blend the precision of AI with the intuition of human judgment. As AI tools grow smarter, they also demand smarter users, people who understand how to question, interpret, and ethically apply the data-driven insights they receive. The intersection of ethics and economics is now the new frontier of wealth management. Whether you're an entrepreneur managing unpredictable income or an everyday investor trying to grow your savings, learning to balance technology with human wisdom will be the real key to success. So, the question isn't whether AI will replace financial advisors, it's whether we, as individuals, can evolve fast enough to use it wisely. If done right, AI won't destroy the financial profession, it will redefine it, making wealth management more efficient, transparent, and accessible to everyone, helping not just to make people richer, but also more responsible and informed about how their wealth impacts the